value education is very, very important. You have to build the character of the young adolescent, which strengthens integrity, resilience, and empathy. And, even peer pressure they can, combat with. And we should always have cultural pride, because you see, if we have a very strong India's heritage, which the teens should connect to, and you should have your self identity in this globalized world. Cyber bullying has just started when we have this internet and all these media, and we have to see how we can combat that. Gender equality, as Sharda ji said, there is a lot of problems when the girls are dealing with boys. They should know how to keep themselves away. There is a distance we have to keep from the boys. We have our own space. Then the financial ethics comes in. We should not, be greedy. We have to be very, very honest in earning, and whatever we do, that will be the way to success. In fact, if you see what is character, Swami Shivananda says character is the essence of man. The sum total of virtues forms the character. It has been rightly said that when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. But when character is lost, everything is lost. So therefore, character is very important. There are 24 character strengths which we can see: transcendence, appreciation of beauty, spirituality, gratitude, hope, your humor, temperance, forgiveness and mercy, humility, etc., justice, citizenship, fairness, leadership, humanity, love for everybody, kindness, social intelligence, courage, bravery, persistence, integrity, vitality, wisdom, creativity, how creative you can be. Everybody has this creativity within themselves that has to be brought out. Curiosity, open-mindedness, love for learning and perspective. If you have a look at the Taittiriya Upanishad, in Banaras Hindu University, in the convocation, the students are told to recite from Sikshavalli, the portion of the Taittiriya Upanishad. I have only taken a few things from there. Satyam vada, dharmam chara, swadhyayana maprada, matridevo bhava, pitridevo bhava, acharya devo bhava, atithi devo bhava. सच बोलो, धर्म के रास्ते चलो, स्वाध्यायन करो, माँ को देवी मानो, पिता को भगवान मानो, आचार्य को भगवान मानो, अतिथि को भगवान मानो. ये हमारा आदेश है. देखिए कितना रिस्पेक्ट देना है, ये बच्चों को सिखाया जा रहा है when they are adolescent and we are graduating out of the college. Now, if you have a look at the culture of our country, you know that Shankara established the Sanatan Dharma, re-established the Sanatan Dharma. What all he did at a very young age. At 32, he's gone. He was no more there. But then within that time gap, what all he had done. We have great people, great rishis in our country. Valmiki wrote the Ramayana. Vyasa wrote the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna gave advice to Arjuna in the battlefield. And that battlefield is within us. So we have to understand how we can relate our life to Bhagavad Gita's teaching. Now, there is diverse culture in our country. We have, if you have a look at dances or music, we have dance, Kathakali, Bharatanatyam, Odissi, all these kinds, Kuchipudi, all dances. Then we have temples. The temples, if you have a look, they are built in the ancient time. But some of the temples, I'll give you only one example because I don't have so much time to cover. If you have a look at the temple architecture, it's very, very important. इसका जो precision है, वो कैसे इतने पहले लोग जानते थे. And there are temples where the pillars do not touch the floor. You must have seen that in the internet. And then we had the Gurukula system where the students were sent to the Guru's house and they were not able to, their parents could not go there and show any sympathy. They had to lead a hard life, and therefore when they came out of the Gurukula, they had really learned many things, many values. Ancient India is full of scientists who have given medicine. Charaka gave medicine to the world. Shushruta gave the surgery to the world. Maths and astronomy, Varamihira. Gravity का हम न्यूटन कहते हैं. भास्कराचार्य did the gravity का, उसने पहले बता दिया था. literature Vyasa, Valmiki, Kalidasa, atomic theory Kannada, and zero Aryabhatta. ये contribution है. पतंजलि अष्टांग योग, अब 21 जून हमारा योगा डे हो गया all over the world. अब हम यही नहीं जानते, we don't understand who invented the prototype plane. If you ask any child, they say Wright brothers. Do you know that it was Shivakar Bapuji Talpade who made this? And who was the sage he was following? The sage was Bharadwaj Rishi. He had the knowledge of Vimana, the ancient flying machine. और उन्होंने सबसे पहले इन्होंने ये जो शास्त्र पढ़ के शिवकर बापूजी तालपाडे ने फर्स्ट प्लेन बना दिया, फ्लाइंग व्हीकल्स बना दिया. So the students don't know. We should be making them aware. सप्त ऋषि, the 7 divine ऋषि, इनमें से हमारा ये जो अपना ये क्या कहते हैं गोत्रास आते हैं, they are from this only. आत्री गोत्रा. आप यदि मंदिर में जाते हैं, आपसे पूछते हैं पंडित जी, what is your गोत्रा? You said, oh, I am Bharadwaj गोत्रा, वशिष्ठा गोत्रा. ये गोत्रा क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है? गोत्रा इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, सेम गोत्र में शादी नहीं करते, बिकॉज जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स आ जाते हैं, दे आर कजन्स. एंड ईच ऋषि हैड सम क्वालिटी. यदि हम उस क्वालिटी, यदि हम इंजीनियरिंग की साइड जा रहे हैं और वो ऋषि भी इंजीनियरिंग में था, तो फिर हम उसमें एक्सेल करेंगे. यदि हम दूसरे एरियाज में जाएंगे तो ये गोत्रा बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. व्हाट हैज हैपेंड? नेक्स्ट स्लाइड क्यों नहीं जा रहा? एक मिनट, सॉरी, समथिंग हैज हैपेंड, सॉरी, इट हैज स्टॉप्ड.
मैम क्लिक ऑन दिस स्लाइड itself, फिर जाएगा आई थिंक.
अच्छा,
देन मूव फॉरवर्ड. या
नहीं, it has just stopped. Just let me see. Something has.
मैडम फुल स्क्रीन से कम कर लो. अरे
अब हो जाएगा. हाँ, then the students have to take inspiration from our freedom fighters. You know, freedom fighters like Patel, Gandhi, and we have our first president of India, Rajendra Prasad, Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh. इन सबसे हमको इंस्पिरेशन लेके उनको इनकी जीवनी बतानी चाहिए. तो क्या विमेन नहीं थे? There were no women freedom fighters. Yes, they were there. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का तो फिल्म ही बन गया है. And then we have Aruna Asaf Ali, Bikaji Kama, Kamla Chattopadhyay, Kuttur Chinnamma from South, and Savitri Bai Phule. She was the empowered woman. She became the first female teacher and headmistress in the Maharashtra. And she started learning from her husband after marriage. She was uneducated, but उन्होंने सीखा और गर्ल्स के लिए इन्होंने बहुत सारे स्कूल महाराष्ट्र में किए. अब साइबर बुलिंग आता है. साइबर बुलिंग में कई बार कैट फिशिंग हो जाती है, ये हमें समझ नहीं आता. What happens is people act as somebody else and they will call you in their voice. अब तो AI भी आ गया, वो वॉइस भी कर देते हैं. वो I am in danger, मम्मी प्लीज हेल्प मी, आप पैसे सारे ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. And so this cyber bullying is very, very bad, or they will bully you. So what we have to do is we have to take help. We have to note the number from where it is coming and never answer to them. And उनको किसी तरह retaliate नहीं करिएगा and block them. That is what we have to learn. Gender equality. In fact, we are born equal. The women and men are born equal. They are in different molds. But आत्मा तो same है उसमें. तो उसमें फर्क क्या है? So we cannot do gender discrimination. So that we have to see how we can bring about in the society. Now I ask the students, do you want to become Malia or Nirav Modi? What has happened to them? They did make money, but by unethical means. You have to follow ethical means. You have to be accountable. You have to have values and integrity. Otherwise, we should not. In financial ethics becomes very, very important. You have to be transparent in your ethics. Now, Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga. Now, as I told you, Yoga Day is there. You have Yama, Niyama, external discipline, Niyama, internal discipline, Asana, postures, Pranayama, breath control, Pratihara, withdrawal of senses, Dharana, concentration, Dhyana, meditative absorption. Ultimately, क्या चाहिए? जीवात्मा परमात्मा से मिलने का ये अवसर. So, value education में सब चीजें क्या आती है? Environmental stewardship is very important here. एंड एनवायरमेंटल स्टीवर्डशिप में आप कोई भी एस्पेक्ट ले सकते हैं. आई कम टू दैट. Critical thinking is very important, as Sharda also mentioned. Service, concept of seva without any expectation, but हमारे मन में expectation आ जाता है when we do seva. Respect for diversity, and we have to teach life skills to the adolescent. Environmental sustainability and stewardship. I'll give you an example of one of my students, Kusum Datta Jain. She's from a very, very ordinary family. And today she is a program officer with the United Nations Framework on Convention of Climate Change, specifically involved in clean development mechanism. And she also has experience with knowledge acquisition, awareness, creation of workshop related to climate change and response measures. All of us can do this, and even adolescents can do this. My green bin. And then we can do vermicomposting. You have to put animal dung, or you can take agro waste from your kitchen, and loamy soil, earthworm, coarse sand, broken bricks, pebbles, and we can make khad, manure. Look, there are people who have made it a business of selling manure. Critical thinking is very, very important, which involves decision making, problem solving ability, research skills, creativity, and curiosity. It is out of box thinking. देखिए, out of box you have to think. बच्चों ने क्या किया है? जुगाड़. 2 कुत्ते डाल दिए और व्हील्स डाल दिए और अपने लिए गाड़ी बना ली. यहाँ पे देखिए कैसे मोटरसाइकिल में इतने लोग जा रहे हैं. हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने भी ये काम किया था. उन्होंने एक स्लाइड प्रोजेक्टर बना दिया 200 रुपए का. Just 200 rupees. You see the creativity? I'm not saying it's right, but देखिए बच्चे सो जाते हैं माँ के पीछे कई बार and they can fall down. But this lady has made a very unusual thing. Now this Tilak Mehta is from Mumbai, and what he did was one day he went to his uncle's house and he had forgotten his notebook there, and next day was some examination. So he asked his father, can I get the notebook from the uncle's house today itself? He said, no way, it's not possible. So he said, I will start an enterprise where you can deliver the material same day. And he, cooperated with the dabbawalas, and उनको दे देते थे, वो courier उसी दिन वहां पहुंचा देती थी. What a papers and parcels उसकी company का नाम है. Young boy. Then Akash Manoj, he's from Chennai, and his grandfather died of silent heart attack. What happens is he found there's a cardiac biomarker which increases before the silent heart attack, which is called fatty acid binding protein 3, and he made a skin patch by which you can detect the amount of FAB3 protein which is coming, and ये skin patch आपको अपने wrist में attach करना है. This gives positive charge and attracts the negatively charged FAB3 protein, and he was given a medal by Pranab Mukherjee. Then you have own your own room success story. Ritesh Agarwal, he is just born in 1993. He is a CEO of a company, and he is a billionaire. How did he become a billionaire? He used to go to various places to give interviews and study. So hotels अच्छे नहीं थे. So what could he do? What he did was he used to find out how to make the rooms better and budget के साथ. आपके पास जो budget है उसके ऊपर. So he never made a hotel. He hired certain rooms in the hotel, and he would give it to them. Then now I come to the Rasta Pratham, choosing the right path. Ethical choices है, shortcuts नहीं होने चाहिए. Purpose driven goal होने चाहिए, जैसे अब्दुल कलाम ने कहा. Leadership होनी चाहिए, हमको हमारे गांधी जी के सत्याग्रह से मिलती है. Family values होनी चाहिए, धर्म या ड्यूटी होना चाहिए हम लोग को, जो हमें बैलेंस करना चाहिए, और कम्युनिटी में सर्विस भी करनी चाहिए. एथिक्स देखिए, ऑनेस्टी, राइट, मेरी क्या राइट है, फेयरनेस, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. हमारे कॉन्शियंस को तो हम सुनते ही नहीं है. वी डोंट लिसन टू आवर कॉन्शियंस. चॉइस है हमारे पास कि हम राइट चूज करें, रॉन्ग चूज करें. वी हैव टू चूज द राइट. ऑनर होना चाहिए, वैल्यू होनी चाहिए, मॉरल्स बहुत अपराइट होने चाहिए. Now we can select any of the sustainable goal which has been made by UN and you can see no poverty का इसमें काम करिए, zero hunger में काम करिए, good health and well-being में काम करिए, quality education, gender equality, clean water. You can do work in any of the 17 goals which have been set up by UN as the sustainable development goal. तो ये हमको एडोलेसेंट को बताना चाहिए कि किसको दी. अब देखिए पर्पसफुल लिविंग में आई हैव द एग्जांपल ऑफ रतन टाटा विद शांतनु नायडू. He selected this boy from Hyderabad, and this boy has made a group who can take care of the elderly. And look, he took care of Ratan Tata in his old age. He was the best friend. Leadership is very important. If you have to become a leader, you have to have confidence, passion, determination, wisdom and support, courage, give encouragement to students, clear communication, commitment, honesty honi chahiye, clear goals, positivity, integrity, good. We have to have the integrity and sensitivity. So leadership is important. Family values में आते हैं. Family is one unit. We have to be conscious as a unit, and we have to find out what are the expectations of others in the family. What is the power of kindness? We have to be kind to everybody. Have the gratitude, okay, that he or she has done something for me. You have to have conscious communication. No communication, matlab, there will be nothing, you won't have any relationship. And then you have to find out dealing with conflict. We have to deal with conflicts and discover family values, which is very, very important. कि मेरी family की क्या-क्या values हैं. Then avoid addiction. आजकल बहुत addiction, drug addiction भी है, बहुत सारे substance abuse है, screen addiction है. Moral courage होना चाहिए to report harassment. हम कहते हैं नहीं. Simple living. Why should we have such posh living? Simple living, and simple living से क्या होता है? I'll come to that. Role models होने चाहिए हमारे life में. Accountability होनी चाहिए, and role models हमारे life में. अर्जुना का, सावित्री बाई फुले का accountability होनी चाहिए. That और हमको अपने mistakes से learn करना. Avoiding. Tara, I'm presenting something. Understanding how substance abuse develops. Avoid temptation and peer pressure. Seek help for mental illness. Examine the risk factors. Keep a well-balanced life. होता क्या peer pressure होता है, हम substance abuse के लिए जाते हैं. अब दूसरा क्या है? दूसरा understand ये substance abuse क्यों develop होता है? Because हमारा mind जो है वो इतना agitated है and stressful है. So we have to seek mental help from people. Risk factors पता करने पड़ेंगे. Keep a well-balanced life. Calm yourself by doing meditation. तो ये moral courage क्या है? The definition is a quality of mind and spirit that enables one to face up to ethical challenges firmly and confidently without flinching or retreating. I'll give you an example of this boy, Shrikant Bola. He was a blind boy. उनके parents को कह दिया, you throw this boy, kill him out and don't keep him. He'll be a nuisance for you. He actually met Abdul Kalam when he had come to his district. And Abdul Kalam asked, what do you want to become? He said, I want to become the president of India. ये था उसका goal. अब उसने क्या किया कि he wanted to do science in 12th class. He was not allowed to take science. And but उसने court case देके जीत लिया, and then the teacher helped him and he cleared 12th. Then when he wanted to do engineering in an engineering college, they refused in India. He went to MIT and he did his BTech and MTech from MIT. The blind boy. After coming back, he has started a company on his own called Areca based, जो आपके ये होते हैं ना सुपारी, Areca based products, and he has given employment for hundreds of people with disabilities. सिंपल लाइफ देखिए. महात्मा गांधी का क्या था? मैं जब उनके आश्रम में गई, साबरमती आश्रम, मेरे को इतना दुख लगा, कोई भी उनके पास है ही नहीं चीजें उनकी. इसी तरह अब्दुल कलाम के पास क्या था? सिंपल लाइफ इज अ हैप्पी लाइफ. यू हैव मोर फ्री टाइम, you have less financial stress, you become more mindful, you learn to be content with what you have. A simple life will also improve your health. The tension कम हो जाता है. Accountability. किसके लिए accountability? ये climate summit हो रहा है. Energy independence, preserve rainforests, sustainability, green jobs, livable cities, renewables, clean water, air, healthy and children, etc. क्या हम अपने ये जो छोड़ के जाएंगे legacy, क्या ये सारा polluted होगा हमारे grandchildren के लिए? We have to think about it. Role model for adolescent, you have Swami Vivekananda, Abdul Kalam ji, Dhoni ji, and Stephen Hawkins, Einstein, and ये जो रंजीत सिंह दिसाले फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, किसी को पता ही नहीं था उनके बारे में, जब उनको प्राइज मिला, ग्लोबल टीचर प्राइज 2020 फर्स्ट प्राइज, क्यूआर कोड उन्होंने बनाया और डिजिटल आप कुछ भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं बच्चे, क्योंकि आजकल डिजिटल है. उनको $1 million मिला. व्हाट डिड ही डू? ओनली एन इंडियन कैन डू दिस. उन्होंने 9 जो फाइनलिस्ट थे, उन्होंने कहा वील डिवाइड द मनी, यू हैव आल्सो डन इक्वल गुड वर्क. मैरी कॉम, एंड देन यू हैव सुंदर पिच्चई हु इज फ्रॉम गूगल. स्पिरिचुअलिटी, डिटॉक्स फ्रॉम टेक. हर टाइम हम मोबाइल में रहते हैं, हमें डिटॉक्स करना. यूनिवर्सल लव everybody is you. It's not, they are not different from you. And we resilience. गीता में क्या हुआ? अर्जुन ने कहा मैं फाइट नहीं करूंगा. किसने बताया? तो कृष्णा ने कहा कि नहीं फाइट करना होगा, ये तुम्हारा धर्म है ना. So he took him out and he taught everything which we should learn. Gratitude होना चाहिए and legacy building. देखिए डिटॉक्स. अब हमें even in house of this Mukesh Ambani, the mother, when they go for dinner, their mobiles are kept away. Nobody can use their mobiles, and they all have a family time together. That's what we have to see what we do. Universal love. It should be pouring love for everybody. It cannot be that we are, having some grudge, some jealousy. No. That's not important. Now I'll give you an example of courage which we people have. Interactive Bees was started by one of my students, Monica Gupta. Look at the moral courage she had, how she had started. She's a dyslexic child. She joined us. In 3 years, what happened, I don't know. We used to have seminars. She used to give wonderful seminars. And she started her own industries. And today she has employed 60 girls and boys. I think 2-3 years ago, I don't know, now it may be more. 30 girls, 30 boys are working with her. She is in a company and she has got many awards. And she is with the Brahma Kumaris talking about detox. कि क्या हमें कैसे डिटॉक्स करना है. Always have gratitude. धन्यवाद दीजिए भगवान को, धन्यवाद दीजिए अपने जो आसपास के लोग हैं जिन्होंने हमारे लिए इतना किया. स्पिरिचुअलिटी क्या कहती है? इनर पीस चाहिए. कर्मा फिलॉसफी टेल्स यू व्हाट यू सो यू रीप. उसको तो हमें भुगतना पड़ेगा. माइंडफुलनेस, फोकस ऑन स्टडीज, रिलेशनशिप, प्राणायाम, फेस्टिवल एंड रिचुअल, they strengthen family bonds and self discovery. Very important. Who am I? देखिए इनर पीस के लिए क्या करना है. सब लोग आजकल यदि आप कहीं भी जाओ, everybody is doing yoga, meditation in the morning. What for they are doing? Because of inner peace they require. Okay. Karma is the law of action or cosmic justice based upon cause and effect. Your every act, good or bad, has specific effect on your life. Okay. And the effects of action in this life remain lodged in the subconsciousness. Paramahansa Yogananda has said. Mindfulness, जो भी करो, योगा करो, कुछ करो, प्राणायाम करो, उसमें पूरा माइंड लगाओ. रिचुअल्स हैं, हमारी शादी के रिचुअल्स हैं. They are very, very important. रक्षाबंधन है. They tell brother has to take care of the sister. Diwali है, festival of light. Light another person's life. That is important. Now Ramana Maharshi says, who am I? Find out who am I. One man went to him. He said, sir, what can I do? I am very much agitated. Find out who you are. Who am I? Am I this body or am I this soul? The body will perish. It was born and will perish one day. So for inner peace and happiness, because the soul is always happy, be in that state of mind and you understand who you are. That is what is required today, even for the students. Once we understand who am I will not have jealousy against anybody. I will not discriminate against anybody. Why this matters? India's youth are architects of future, blending timeless values, ethical clarity, and spiritual grounding helps them to thrive on fast-changing world while staying rooted in compassion and purpose. Let's empower them to lead with both intellect and heart. Each point ties to real life challenges, academic stress, cyberbullying, identity crisis, while offering culturally resonant solutions by framing values and spirituality as tools for empowerment, not restriction. This approach appeals to teens seeking autonomy and meaning. That's the end. Thank you very much.